Hello all, today I will show you basic function of RStudio. In R programming, RStudio is the most popular idea. RStudio has a code editor. You can see here, this is the first part is the code editor. Code editor consists of the syntax highlighting and intelligent code completion function. You can just write the code or syntax or function and you can click here to run the file. This part is the workspace variable. Workspace variable showing the all variable and history. You may double click the variable to view them using table and other options. This part is the R console. It is the RStudio, so you can view the R result of the R script. After running the script, you can also type in the R console with R code to use some simple computing. You can see here this part is the plot and other option is available in RStudio to let you view the chart and graph plot from the R script. The plot and other portion allow to easily save the chart and graph. This is just the basic function of RStudio. I hope you liked the particular video and I come up with my next video. Thank you.